The essay question posed here is much more open-ended than other assignment we have considered. So the first task is to analyze what would count as a good answer to it, and what sort of discussion is required here. So if you are accustomed to writing literature essay, the form of this question may look familiar. It is important to remember that this is a philosophy assignment. The focus needs to be on philosophical idea and arguments, not on literary criticism. By the same token, we should avoid getting sidetracked into religious debates about sin. So we need to focus on distinctive philosophical issues of free will and necessarily raised by this quotation. However, there remains more than one ways of tackling this topic in response to the question. For instance, should we focus on Leibniz's account of free will and necessity? Or should we discuss the challenges raised by seeking to balance free will and necessity using the Leibniz quotation as an example, but also exploring other approaches? If, however, it is part of a more general problem in philosophy course, then it may be equally acceptable to compare and contrast the quoted approach with other in the philosophical literature. It is worthwhile to check whether a particular approach is prepared by your course tutor. For instance, if this assignment is part of a course on modern philosophy, then it is likely to be expected that your essay will focus on exegesis and critical analysis of Leibniz's particular theory. If appropriate, seek clarification. Remember that your essay will be graded on how you will answer the question, so it is crucial not to misinterpret it. If this does not determine for you which interpretation you should adopt, then it is a good idea to state in your introduction how you intend to approach the question. An explanation of your understanding of the problem will help your reader to see precisely how your subsequent argument answer the question.